Around last week, and say one other big YouTuber, I friend Penax TV. Na Ghana YouTubers no ye wo WhatsApp group a ye na ye wom. Ente Penax TV posti video bi na video no abranche bi a na wo kan nsem a ensem fata ka tre Ghana for say wo mon sorry na wo mo enkope sebe President Akufo-Addo chi akwan wo mo pe bibi mbo ni trim etiefo nya easy wo mo wi a soldiers for ni police for a emra lockdown ba ya wo mo nam krom no Ghana for empe kuntiba ni etio enkunkum soldier for ni police for de enti a wo kasa na say sa coronavirus na Akufo-Addo ka no enya de a coronavirus e wo Ghana na ni nemu no eye 5G enu hunti wo mo ahyeda akayen ahyedem wo mo yesa 5G no na wo mo ka sa 5G nsem ne de ya no mo ho eye mesre nti asem abrante we wo kan no wo ye Ghana ni security man we di 24 very young guy nti me hu video na me say asem we de se be abrante no wanka say ye na odeto abrante ne de to no ne YouTube page asem no wo court that's why I can't actually post the video for you guys to listen because asem no work court. Now the best I can do is say I make a safa asem ne ho. Me wi ana efuto bi a me wo no me de ama eye Ghana for nso. Nti abrantie no e kan nsem we ni na e kan say president yenye ni say me ti asem na me say abrantie ne na ye ne say wo kan ne tra na o de to social media. Na te say no. Last month 28 ena police for ensa eso abrantie mo mo tracking na ekoche no mo che abrantie no afei ende he was just joking, it was just a comedy video na no ye clearly it didn't look like a comedy video but no na worker say it was just a comedy video asem still a court, so I can't state whether indeed it was a comedy video or not. Na police for Eddie Abrantie no akọ court ende Abrantie ni din your friend no Don Dada Bless nickname your the friend no Don Dada Bless with the 24 years na wo mo court no de esi ye no eno na mede eba abetu mu anim na etiefo very serious ye de no course Accra Circuit Court judge na wote asem ne so your friend his Anna Emmanuel Isando na they see and say Abrantie the first time I didn't call court no ni lawyer but the Abrantie na yenti I didn't know akwako jina court no no ebe ye obi say freedom of speech Ghana has say embra ewa ha, yes you have the freedom to speak but you make sure say that your freedom of speech no it doesn't infringe upon someone's freedom or right. So the American you have the freedom to freedom of speech, or you have the right to speak on any matter you want to in Ghana. But in Rana say it was so making sure say our freedom of speech no in some way it doesn't infringe on someone's right. Not say one go can say be asebe e be threaten obi or no so right. Ebe man nipa ko no say bia ne right bia wo no etu atwa na to say wo freedom of speech no etochima police for betumi ache wo ho nti Abrantie we minim say nkrofo beka say freedom of speech say nkrofo yes wo mo de politics o meka say freedom of speech but the freedom of speech no me be tremo Ghana mbra Abrantie no say asemo a wo kan ye say Ghana fo enko assault president no but the tremo Ghana mbra of flout here. Now the two charges and a born he was slapped with two charges. Now charge no baako circulating false communication no and say senya na wo kan say the entire ye dey oppose for the entire Ghana lockdown ye tutu mo ahye inside no enye coronavirus bia na 5G ye tutu form enu hunti inti Ghana for munye se mu false communication false publication na what they to dwa no Ghana mra etia nti that's the first offense and a charge ye de bo no. The second charge any na we na me pese mu niamo shanenson assault on a public officer contrary to sections 76. Na Ghana Act bi wo ho a ye friend no Electronic Communication Act 2008. Electronic Communication Act 2008 Act 775. Act no ele say assault on public officer. O man penya wote ho no wo public officer. Electronic communication. Abrante ni use an electronic platform which is social media. And now what inciting assault on the president. Asem no no. Abrante ya ken 24 years. Na we obi a we security guy. We juma e private security bia your friend VIP security company. Na Abrante botemambo bi nti nsem ni ye. Nti nsem ni na no April and I say in some way in see lockdown we kokoso emra Greater Accra and Greater Kumasi lockdown Abrante wako cancer same way. He incited the public to rise up against the president. Na adia was also can fan ho kran say was say emebunu no wo mon sorry enko Akufo-Addo fie enko hye ne fie. Ghana ha say eto de bia eye nkrofo bi say omo betina social media so no mo kan sem bi say no mo nyom omo trade dim. Was say wo mon sorry enko hye president ni fie. They should kill any police officer or execute the COVID-19 duties no. Tiensemo Abrante wodi tuja. Ye chino wa admit ye say ono I saw the video what kind o say ne cre wono an odi videos ni to WhatsApp any YouTube. It omo wie no the charges na e born. Now, send ya medin kan atremo no. Abrante no ye de no ekọ court no. And the lawyer eba ebeka say the first time na woni ho nti wo nim die esi ye the first time I did about because first time I didn't call court no lawyer. Nti sana the lawyer never can say the first time I didn't about court no or no lawyer no wo nim die esi ye. Nti osre judge no say ye man the time na yensan so emma ne de esiye e won nsem ni mu na won hu senia wo be eye asem no ene ye ka so okay nti na me ne ka say Abrante no he still on remand nti still wo ko police wo kukuum. I understand say we all create platforms for ourselves on social media, but please don't use your platform to incite violence. No matter how angry you are, do not use your platform to incite violence on any other person. Ude forget the fact that Abrante in some way wakan ye nina no efa president no. When you say ebia any president no be kan fa will be fufuro ho a, it could have maybe taken a different turn. No one knows. But Mr. Remo, yeah, you better na ha you can't central microphone. See, let's just try to inform people. Oh, I've been tribia, trewa. Don't be inciting violence. Say when ko shi we fie, when ko ye say, emboa. And you see, Ghana mebulu bebre nim, omo wo ho a, no mu nim say enyama bi say kra no. Etiamra. This time around, we are seeing a lot. Coronavirus, ade ba ko e de aba and say we are seeing a lot of Ghanaian laws and they are being used. They are being applied. First, na me sure say na okra wu nim say o Ghana has imra. O ya say wo spread false news. Asem a enye ne kra. Imra be chi watu. Me sure say na okra wu nim. Coronavirus ba no ene ma Ghana ehu say say ye wo mbra bi kra saa wo ho. If you spread false news, you'll be arrested. Mo maybe asem na kwa kodu. Mesremo yema yeni enda ho ebo social media so yema yeni nda ho because you don't know who is listening. Abranche ye ka say won go back to time no won go sesa na no a me ye sure say na nkoko ye kra ache enye nde na so aye shi share my comment box mo tie for me that say